Welcome to Fastlane Tech Training, where we simplify tech and sharpen your skills. Today, we're diving into the world of autonomous AI agents in IT operations. You may have heard the term thrown around, but what exactly are these agents and how are they revolutionizing the IT industry? Let's find out. First, let's define what an autonomous AI agent is. Simply put, it is a software program that can perform tasks without human intervention. Think of it as a virtual assistant specifically designed for IT operations. These agents use artificial intelligence and machine learning algorithms to analyze data, make decisions, and execute tasks, all in real time. So, what's the key insight here? Autonomous AI agents are changing the game in IT operations. With their ability to continuously monitor and analyze data, these agents can detect and resolve issues faster and more accurately than humans. This means less downtime, improved efficiency, and cost savings for businesses. But it's not just about reactive measures. These agents can also proactively identify potential problems and suggest solutions before they even occur. This predictive maintenance can prevent major disruptions and save businesses time and money. One of the biggest benefits of using autonomous AI agents in IT operations is their scalability. As businesses grow, so does their IT infrastructure. This can lead to an overwhelming amount of data that needs to be monitored and managed. With autonomous agents, this is no longer a problem. They can handle large volumes of data and scale up or down depending on the needs of the business. Now, you may be wondering, do these agents replace human IT professionals? The answer is no. These agents are designed to assist and enhance the work of IT professionals, not replace them. They can handle routine and repetitive tasks, allowing IT professionals to focus on more complex and strategic work. In fact, many IT professionals welcome the use of autonomous agents as it frees up their time and allows them to work on more challenging projects. It's clear that autonomous AI agents are transforming IT operations. They are improving efficiency, reducing costs, and allowing businesses to stay ahead of potential issues. As technology continues to advance, we can only expect these agents to become even more sophisticated and play an even larger role in IT operations. So if you're an IT professional or a business looking to streamline your operations and stay ahead of the game, it's time to embrace autonomous AI agents. Keep an eye out for these agents in the market and consider implementing them into your operations. Trust us, you won't regret it. This clip is brought to you by Fastlane, your global IT training partner. Subscribe for more tech insights and tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.